Hey, fatty! Yeah, you. Are you tired of being fat? Well, we have the perfect solution! Exercise, you fool! Eat healthy!
Silly media, we don't need to exercise and eat healthy to get the numbers on the scale down. Instead, we can follow the advice of Newton's law of gravitation.
You see, according to Newton's law of gravitation, the gravity between two objects are equal. What I'm trying to say is that the scale measures the force of gravity between you and Earth. Gravity depends on the mass of each object, radius, and gravitational constant. To find the gravitational force, you can use Fg equals g m1 m2 over r squared. Fg represents the gravitational force. G represents gravitational constant. M1 and M2 represent mass 1, the mass of each object, of course, and r square, r represents the radius. You can use F equals ma on occasions where you know the acceleration also.
If you're trying to drop the numbers on the scale with a high mass, the gravitational force will be high also.
But if you happen to have a low mass, the gravitational force will also be low.
They are proportional. Remember, scales measure the gravitational force. Gravitational force is inversely squared to the radius. The higher the radius or distance, the lowerly squared the gravitational force is. The lower the radius, the higherly squared the gravitational force is. What I'm trying to get at is that if you want a shortcut to dropping the numbers on the scale, simply weigh yourself on a planet with a higher radius.